Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm heading out to Masaka market in Nasarawa State to buy fresh egusi for one of my clients. This is going to be real Nigerian market adventure. Stay with me till the end. This market is known for good price of egusi, both peel and unpeeled. If you want to buy in bulk, Egusi is also known as melon seed. It's one of the most loved ingredients in Nigerian cooking. We use it to make egusi soup, which is thick, rich, and full of flavor. And here in Masaka, you will find both raw and peeled egusi, depending on what you need. This is peeled egusi, clean and ready to go. And over here you have unpeeled egusi, which is a bit cheaper but need extra work. And my client prefer peeled egusi, so that is what we'll be getting today. They also have roasted egusi here in Masaka market, which I'm seeing for the first time.
No, you will see the difference. This is machine peel. The chow. Cheap now.
Silver is here.
This small provider. This one no do person.
No way, Daddy.
This is pear. Now I want to enter inside. Now that is the problem. Trying to dirty. This blended one. The market is so light. So people that buy. Have you get the right salt?
In Masaka market, peeling of egusi is no longer just about hand work. Traders now use a local machine to make the job faster and easier for them. And this method saves time, reduce stress, and help traders process large quantity for customers.
Customers, tell me how much. You know what you talk? He said this 3,000. Make you see.
When you go on number E, then you
Yo, wow. See your other one. I said this one looks better. It's the same thing, ba? Look. I've never seen this kind of acha. Which one is also acha?
That's acha.
Why do they like sand? What do they use it for? Like, it looks like couscous.
but it's not couscous. So this one is just like common beef for those people that have diabetes.
Okay, it's for diabetic patients.
Okay, so you want this like thermovita.
Okay, it's called Bambara in English, this one. And it has two different types, the white, the milk color and the brown one. You know, sir, if one thing with this Nasarawa State, you dey hear me? They got plenty things. Make a cuckoo buy. Now I collect money, I go take buy.
Fine woman. This one 2,500.
How much is half lap? No. 6,000. Half lap. 6,000.
This is not a tax.
It's
They call this thing. Oh, this is a good from me. This one is from me. So they call this.
So we don't have this one here in Nasarawa. Now which one be this one again?
Guys, this is roasted egusi. So they have egusi everywhere here. Like
Alright guys, deal done, egusi secure, and I have got exactly what my client asked for at a good price, and I even made a few friends along the way. Time to head out and make delivery. That is for today's market run, my friends. Hope you enjoyed this trip to Masaka Market and learned something about egusi. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye.
Yeah.
Oh, you know for sale? This year you for sale? This for sale?
That's it. Maybe.